Okay guys, I'm gonna start with the items that I'm most excited about slash my favorites. The first item that I have is kind of new. It's this Brazilian style cheese bread. I tried that last week and it's really good. It's really cheesy and very crispy. Next up, I have this mixed mushroom and spinach quiche, and that is a perfect little lunch. I like to bring that to work and just cook it in my toaster oven at work, and it's really easy and pretty delicious. Next up, I got these spaghetti cacio e pepe. I've been hearing a lot of good things about these, so I decided to finally try them. Super excited. Next up, I have one of my favorite frozen items from Trader Joe's. It's these coconut shrimp. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite recipes featuring Trader Joe's ingredients. It's a recipe for coconut shrimp tacos, and they are the perfect weeknight recipe and they're super delicious. Next up, we have another new item. It's this breaded fried ravioli. I don't think I've ever tried fried ravioli, so I'm super curious, and they look really good. I think they're gonna be amazing dipped in some marinara sauce. So super excited to try these. Next up, I got this chickenless crispy tenders. For some reason, I don't really have the desire for actual chicken tenders, but I've been really enjoying these kind of like chicken alternatives. So I like these from Trader Joe's. Next up is my new obsession. It's these Aussie style chocolate cream sandwich cookies. And these are probably one of the best cookies I've ever tried in my life. They're super chocolatey. I got 2 boxes because they're that good. One more item that was supposed to be in that same bag, but I took it out by mistake, is this burger sauce. It's called the Magnifi sauce. We tried it and it tastes really close to the Big Mac sauce, so it's pretty good. Next up, I got a jar of cashew butter, and I've never actually bought cashew butter before. I've had it like outside in like smoothies and stuff like that, but I've never actually like bought it to do stuff with it at home. And I'm not sure if Trader Joe's had that before or it's a new item, but I don't think I had ever seen it before, so I'm really excited to try. And then we have another new-ish item. It's this sparkling apple cider vinegar beverage in 2 different flavors. The first one is this lemon and strawberry flavor. The other one is ginger and lemon. I've actually tried this one and it's really good, but I've heard really good things about the other flavor as well, so I'm really excited to try both. And I actually got 2 of each. Next up, I got some pasture-raised eggs, and I like to buy pasture-raised eggs at Trader Joe's because the price is affordable compared to other stores. These are not cheap, but they're better for you, so I'm happy to splurge a little bit. Next up, some bread. I got the sprouted wheat sourdough bread, and then I have this pita bite crackers baked with sea salt. I've never tried them, but I don't know, I've been into crackers lately, so these sounded good to me. And then I got this roasted tomatillo salsa verde, which I'm gonna use for my shrimp tacos. Then I got some coconut oil, and I mainly got that for body moisturizer. And then I got this citrus body wash, which I tried in the summer and I really enjoyed it. It smells like grapefruit and lemons and stuff like that, so it's really fresh and I just love it. It's really nice and it's really cheap too. And then I decided to get some nuts. I chose these Guara almonds with extra virgin olive oil and sea salt. These are very delicious. They're a little bit more expensive than the regular almonds, but they are more fancy, I think. Then I got some cheese. The first one is this double cream Gouda cheese, and it's one of my favorites from Trader Joe's. And then the other one that I got is the sliced Munster cheese. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but you know what I mean. And I also got this ham by Applegate, which is my favorite one. They have it in other grocery stores as well. Next up, I got this avocado oil spray, which is perfect for high heat cooking. And then of course, I had to get some of my favorite protein bars, which are by the brand Bear Bells. I got 2 cookies and cream, 1 salty peanut, and 1 caramel cashew. And then I got 2 of my favorite Kind bars, which is the dark chocolate and sea salt. And then another thing that I really love from Trader Joe's, the perfect snack or a side to a dish, are these giant baked beans in tomato sauce. And then I have 1 bag of produce, which we're gonna go through pretty quickly. Some organic blueberries, 1 thing of broccoli. These organic Persian cucumbers are really good. Organic baby spinach for salads and smoothies. A few bananas. And then I got these organic shredded green and red cabbage with carrots for my tacos. I also got some apples. These are Envy apples. And I love getting apples from Trader Joe's because they have smaller apples, which are perfect for just a little snack. I'm not always in the mood to eat one huge apple, so the small ones are perfect. I also got a few limes for my tacos. And finally, some tortillas. The first one are these organic mini flour tortillas, which looks super cute. I've never tried them, but I'm sure they're gonna be delicious. And then I also got these Carb Savvy tortillas made with whole wheat. I'm no longer on a low carb diet, but I still really enjoy these. And I wasn't sure if these are gonna be like too small for my tacos, so I wanted to have another choice. But that was the haul, and now let's get into the recipe. So here are all the ingredients. First, of course, we have the coconut shrimp. I also have some cotija cheese that I'm gonna shred in a little bit. Salsa verde, a lime, an avocado, the shredded cabbage, and finally the tortillas. And I have the two kinds that I showed you guys earlier. My first step would be to cook the shrimp, and I will cook them in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes, but you can obviously make them in your oven as well. I already preheated my air fryer, so I'm just spraying it with some avocado oil and dumping all the shrimp, making sure they're in one layer basically. And in the meantime, I will make my little salad. I'm adding the cabbage, some salt, olive oil, and then the lime juice. And we just mix it up really well, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm just cutting the avocado into smaller pieces to use as a topping for the tacos. And I'm also shredding my cheese. And then finally, we warmed up the tortillas. We ended up using only the mini ones, and they were perfect. In the meantime, the shrimp are done. The only thing that I need to do to them is remove the tails because they still have the shells, so they're not really okay to eat in tacos the way they are. And then it's basically assembly time. My husband actually tried to experiment with the burger sauce and he added it to his tacos, but I skipped that on mine. So you basically put everything that we just prepped however you like. We started with the cabbage, then added the shrimp. We also added sour cream, which I forgot to mention in the beginning, but I think it's better with sour cream. Then we're adding the salsa, some avocado, and finally some cheese. I don't know why my husband was so shy with his cheese. I added way more on my tacos, and here is the final result. I think they look beautiful. And here is me trying them, and I don't want to be dramatic, you guys, but they were incredible. Wow. So good. Totally recommend trying them. They really tasted like they came from a restaurant. I'm not kidding. Definitely try them. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you subscribe if you are into healthy lifestyle, wellness content, and Trader Joe's hauls. I try to post new videos every single week, and I would really love to have you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!